Pretty shot of a beach, a lot of sunshine, temperatures are rising. We're all ready to get out there and have some fun. But here's a question. How effective is your sunscreen? Manuel Bojorquez shows us how a nearly 100-year-old law may be keeping the best lotions out of American stores.
Along sunny Miami Beach, people lather up, largely unaware that America's selection of sunscreens is limited compared to other parts of the world.
I'm not aware of that. Yeah, we should be open to every option there is.
At issue, a 1938 U.S. law that classifies sunscreen as a drug and requires animal testing, rather than as a cosmetic like parts of Europe and Asia do. That keeps foreign brands off U.S. shelves and limits sunscreen makers. The Environmental Working Group says, on average, U.S. sunscreens don't protect as well from UVA rays, which can cause skin cancer. One of its studies found only 35% of the U.S. sunscreens tested were strong enough to meet EU standards.
The reason all this is important is because skin cancer is the most common form of cancer in this country.
Almost everybody has been affected by skin cancer. 1 in 5 Americans have skin cancer.
Dr. Robert Kirshner is a dermatologist with Sylvester Comprehensive Cancer Center at the University of Miami.
We'd really like to get some of those European sunscreens to the United States, because it'll give us greater opportunity, greater options for our patients.
In a statement to CBS News, the FDA says it must balance the public health benefits of access to a broader range of sunscreen active ingredients against the importance of ensuring that the sunscreens Americans use are safe for regular, lifelong use. Until something changes, experts still encourage people to use the sunscreens currently available in the U.S. For CBS Mornings, Manuel Bojorquez, Miami.
Manny, thank you very much. So people may be wondering what makes the sunscreens from Europe and Asia different from the ones we have here in the U.S. So you may be familiar with the ingredients. You've got here the benzones, as they're known. There's oxybenzone and avobenzone. And then there are mineral-based sunscreens that provide a bit more protection, like titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Sunscreens from Europe and Asia, meanwhile, the main ingredient is something called bumetrizinol, or BMT, when you get familiar with it, like I soon will be, I hope. It's been approved in the EU since 2000, and some say it's safer to use and offers more protection than others.